Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you would, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a like. That'll help boost the video and YouTube's algorithm. I'd sure appreciate it. Now, there will be a few places in here where there's no sound at all, and that's just because of the music they had playing in the background. I have to remove it so that YouTube does not demonetize this video. There was really good turnout, lots of cool cars, and plenty to see. So, hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
You win first place.
Threefold rag, Gavin. You like those heart tail lights? Tiny, huh? Semaphores, rib door. Excuse me.
We gotta get this engine sound off contest going. I need some participants. I know you got some loud new buzzers and trucks and stuff like that out there, so let's get them on up here and fire them off and see what we got. Engine sound off contest. Bring them on up.
Yeah, I like that one.
This thing has to be in the Hobby W's magazine.
There's your fully polished style.
I used to, and I called out there. What's the guy's name? Tim? Tim. Is he still? Oh, I'm still there. My mother. I called
Goodness.
Everything get quiet. So like, that's what we do.
It's hard to adjust to mix. It's very hard. I had to make something.
sound like this, then we got something. Hold on, I'll let you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd rather have the old stuff for sure.
There's not a lot down through here. I even stopped looking. But
These-
there is some cool stuff.
These two Porsches are the guy that owns the Gia. One's his and the other is his wife's.
Oh, awesome.
So they got these two, and then they have the same black and white in the convertible Bugs too.
That's a pretty car.
Yeah,
Don't you think?
yeah, I like the
Blue
color.
too.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Adonia had called me and said, "Did you see that one?" Adonia, when she was waiting for us when we first got here, she's like, "Did you see that one?" I hadn't seen it before.
That's a pretty car.
Yeah, it is.
These little side bits. I ain't never seen the other one.
Oh yeah, crotch coolers. That's a split window thing.
Is it everyone got a lift on it? Is that a
Looks like it. It looks like it. They look extra big when you see all the lowered ones around them, huh?
It's higher than mine. Wow.
Yes, yes. That's what I'm thinking about doing this. I think it's pretty like that.
Excuse me.
Kind of like that rear rack too.
Yeah.
I don't like that one. I don't like nothing about the looks of it.
Nope, me either.
I'm trying to copy a Land Rover.
There's your Super Beetle Volkswagen.
Don't look as good.
No. And not the same when you got those struts sitting up there. There's just some tires on that bus.
The red one too. I pointed out those wheels on that cream one to Gavin. He didn't like them.
I know, and I like those.
This one. Oh. Tesla said nanny at
Oh, shit. You're like, I bet she would, huh?
God drives a Volkswagen thing. God drives a Volkswagen thing. And it changes color when he changes his view. That's all it was. Volkswagen thing. Nazis, they build the bunker. So we board this little field stay. But when you come over to cruise around, I'll get recognized. Drive his Volkswagen thing. Sky drives a Volkswagen thing. God drives a Volkswagen thing. With Jesus his jack and Buddha his spare. God drives a
There's mushroom head straight in front of you. See ya?
Yeah.
Needs his ass drugged through a shop. I hope you ain't recording my voice.
I had to do sound over it. Yeah. It's surprising that I haven't built one of these yet. Yeah. That's cool looking, huh?
The shine I want.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably a rope-on stuff. And it ain't smooth. It's nice in this
Yeah, that's a little different.
That was a funny one. It took us 5 hours to get up here.
Hey, like,
I waited the first kid for about 1 hour and then we went down. I'm drawn to the patina too. I like the patina.
Yeah.
That's nice on that, but
Mm-hmm.
he's lost her for
Oh, yeah. I like this color here, too.
That's a pretty color. What do you call it?
I can't remember.
Similar to the Hondas, but
Mm-hmm.
it's lighter.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Just clean.
Gotta be on airbags, right?
No.
That's correct. That front.
Mm-hmm. This is what Gavin wanted me to do to my interior.
It's a nice
He wanted me to
interior.
do the white piping like that. And I was like, no, I'm doing black piping.
That's a-
Oh yeah.
Shucks, I was trying to bring the picture.
Não precisa mostrar a bunda.
Yep. We're close to it. I'd say it's at least 75.
I bet he's more than that. He's got more than that in it.
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. These are those wheels that Gavin's all in love with. But he don't want them in 15s like that. Look at that panel. It's all bead rolled.
That's nice.
Excuse me.
Never seen a wreck like this. I didn't even notice it this morning.
That's a homemader right there.
But look at the trailer.
Yeah. This guy lives over in Deckard.
Let's take pictures of the trailer. One wheel.
Mm-hmm. I got a couple of those trailers.
Never seen nothing like it.
This is when you know you can bring whatever you want.
Oh, mine would fit right in up here just fine.
Oh yeah. Did you see the blue one that was?
That shifter, that's kind of cool.
Did you see the other blue Baja that's real close to yours here?
I've seen a few. I don't think I've seen one I thought was real close.
There was one here last year. It was almost identical. Yeah.
That looks good too. Just can't drive.
Excuse me. Sorry.
So many cars.
It's a Brazilian one too. You can tell because it's a half early, half late model car. Did you see that car here that had the sticker on it that said booby bouncer? It was on the windshield. This is a Brazilian one too, how it's got the trim up there. Sorry. Oh, I know it.
I know, right?
This thing right across the street. I don't like this good.
That red one's 22,000. this is a 25 or 36 horse motor.
I've been careful. I don't know if I did any of these?
You like that on the hood?
It's okay. Yeah. And whoever got it. Got supposed to got all the money. That thing went 4 minutes, and I had to laugh, man. It sat there about 2 minutes into it. Going straight out the top of the car. And then man, the car back up.
Telling him I was in front yesterday.
And then all of a sudden, it went jumping on that stand back. Okay.
Excuse me. Sorry. You see how nice that car is though behind us, that red one? But do you see all the blisters in the paint and stuff? That's the sealer. That's why I don't put sealer on these cars anymore. It always, every time you see one of those, that's what it is.
And I guess the carburetor
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, look how they did that. Have you seen your mom since you left to go throw something away? Huh? Well, she was looking for you.
That one's more like Jerry. We'll get around to that.
Yeah.
Jessica didn't like this one at all. She
Really?
don't like this color.
That's crazy. I even like this. I'd drive this.
I like it too.
Gavin, this one's a super like yours. But look at it with the shaved, you know, stuff on there.
That's the shirt this year.
Oh, really?
You like had a lot more beat stuff in it.
That's different.
I don't like it.
You don't know what?
I don't like The other one that I liked had Scooby-Doo.
Chop top. Not a very good chop, but a chop top.
It's too much.
Well, and it's just squished.
Short.
But there's you some tail lights, Bruce.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. I want to chop one of these still, but I want to do it way better than that.
It needs to be good, man. I think this red convertible the truck beside it too.
Oh, I like the convertible thing.
I like convertible. That one just don't fit right.
I like how they cleared this one.
Yeah, sharp, huh?
Yeah.
See, I like those wheels too. Gavin don't like those wheels.
No, they're all right.
See, to me, this would be a cool cuff top button on.
Yeah.
Tessa, we're heading towards the car. You better grab one. You can try.
There you go.
Somebody, yeah. We'll be dead in the next 5 seconds. Yeah, we will. Now we're gonna play all these. If I was talking, we'd be dead in 5 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. There's my too. These are floaters, so these are good. I like that a lot.
Yeah. Very well done.
That's the one you said was all grafted up in the
Mhm.
truck.
Look, they have
That's a go for it.
look, they have
Not the top half.
Huh?
Not the top half. I'll take some pictures of this when I get done filming.
Traded even for a
Yes. Well, you're not going to be able to go as low. If you go 17s, you're going to be higher in the air.
As low as I can with 17s.
You're probably going to want to widen your front fenders or something then. What?
I found a car that you might like.
That rusty one?
Looks like yours, but cleaner.
Yeah, exactly. And all put together.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's just the name of the game, you know? See, you said you didn't like the tweed inserts, but that's the tweed inserts right there. Huh? No. Especially not when you go sit on it and it's 90 degrees outside and you fry your rear end. There's your bumper, Gavin.
Volkswagen, they had some 80s. In the 80s, they had some look like a little Chevy love truck.
I'm gonna get an off-road one. I like that.
Yeah.
I bought a motor at a yard sale. I bought this person disassembled. I bought a front suspension at a yard sale. And usually you get it pretty cheap. Yeah, it's not that many.
So it's slowly gonna add new things to it.
There's 17-inch BRMs. Where's Gavin? They're not. Yep. That one's got a nasty motor in it too.
Yeah, when the 13 goes running.
Don't have any worries. If I go home today, I can